What's up, YouTube? Last week, I posted a video for the new Baja Designs DOT LP6 headlight kit that we installed in Jimmy's 392. If you have not seen that video, make sure to click on the link right here to watch that video first before watching today's video. The reason is because today's video is probably not going to make sense unless you watch that video first, because this video is actually going to be an addition to that video, because what we're going to be doing is showing you guys some footage that I forgot to include. If you did watch that video, I went ahead and showed you guys how to install them. I went ahead and reviewed how the installation went. Also went ahead and showed you guys a little bit of a performance comparison between the new headlight and the old factory LED. I also gave you guys my overall thoughts. My overall thoughts were, they were kind of just talking about the beam patterns, the performance, and it was kind of obvious based on the comparison, which was a projection on a garage door, that the beam pattern and the brightness are a little bit different. They are different. That is evident. In that video, you see that. But what maybe isn't evident in that video is how the lights actually might perform a little bit better. And it has to do with the projection power of the DOT LP6 headlights. So one thing that Baja Design actually jumped in on the video and commented on was about the fact that they designed them to project further than factory LED lights. And with a comparison where I'm just showing them on the wall, you really can't see that. So one thing I forgot to include in last week's video was my on-road footage. I actually captured it with my DJI Action 5. I just kind of forgot to pull the content off of this and add it to the video. So what we're gonna do is simply go ahead and show you guys the footage of that so you can see the difference and kind of use that to add it to your video. The only thing I did forget to do is I didn't capture some before content with the factory LEDs. So I don't have footage to compare to, or at least I don't have footage to compare to the factory LEDs. What I did do to make today's video is this week, I actually went ahead and ran around and captured some content of my vehicle to show it as a comparison. The only difference is I don't have factory LEDs. What I have is the HID projector retrofit by LED projectors in my factory halogen housings. So it's a lot different. The lights I'm running are slightly brighter than factory, so they're different. But I think it's going to be a good level for you guys to compare to. I'm going to get into this. I'm going to show you guys this, but it's just going to be basically some raw footage. I don't even think I'm going to talk over it. I might not. I might just show it to you guys and let you use that to compare to. But what basically Baja is saying is that these lights, or the new DOT LP6 headlights, are designed to go further. And hopefully in this video, you do see that. I honestly haven't even looked at this content. So it's going to be something that I'm also going to see with you guys. But I hope that, this helps. I know a bunch of you did ask for this. Some of you politely asked, and some of you were very rude about asking. I shouldn't let it bother me, but, there's just some online trolls out there that like to make comments, and sometimes it gets to me. But I did capture the content. I just forgot to get it and forgot to include it. So now I'm going to show you guys that content. What I am going to do, though, is I am also going to wrap today's video up right here, because I'm just going to simply go into that footage, show it to you guys, and then we'll close the video out. So I do want to say that if you guys do enjoy today's video and you did enjoy last week's video or any of the videos on my channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you can, YouTube came up with a new feature, which is the hype button. Make sure to hype this video and also my previous video to, help it get some more views out there. So guys, now that I'm done blabbing a little bit, let's go ahead and get the files off the camera, add them to the video. And then what I'm gonna do is let you guys enjoy the footage. But as usual, to wrap this video up, make sure to keep evolving, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
strange about this light. It's got a great cutoff line to the top, but it's got absolutely no line to the bottom. This is your low beam. There's your high beam. It's a bit darker. You see it on high beam. Low beam. Here's your low again. High. Here's the SAE DOT fog by Baja with the headlight in the low, headlight in the high. There's the lights again by themselves. Nice for cornering. Yeah, nice width side by side. There's the cutoff line right. The lights should drop lower. The cutoff line to the top is good for oncoming traffic, but still